just 100 years ago. We used to believe that we were the only galaxy in this huge universe. We thought there aren't any galaxies out there except the Milky Way. But now we are pretty sure that there are trillions of galaxies just like us. It's unbelievable. We live in an incredible time of modern technology. Let's have a closer look to understand it well. James Webb Telescope Simple Explanation. NASA's largest and most powerful space telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is an infrared observatory that orbits around the Sun. It works about 1 million miles far from the Earth to discover the first galaxies that were formed earlier in our universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is considered an extension of the Hubble Space Telescope, but with higher sensitivity and much longer wavelength coverage. It was launched for the first time on December 25, 2021, to study and discover more about every single stage in the history of the universe. Starting from the Big Bang, through the planets and stars formation process, to the evolution of everything in our solar system. Let's get into more details to understand how the James Webb Telescope works. Every single object we see in our life is just a reflection of the light on this object that we look at, and that's how we see things. But when it comes to space, it is totally different, because light takes a long time to travel across the cosmos. Not only that, but there are certain ranges of light that cannot pass through our atmosphere to reach us. This is why we can see the moon or the sun, but we can't see every single space object out there. And here we come to the most important mission of the space telescopes. The Hubble Space Telescope was made to use ultraviolet and some ranges of light, or what we call parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. But the James Webb Telescope was optimized to use a broad range of infrared light. So it has the ability to see further back in time than the Hubble Space Telescope. Let's make it more simple. Every galaxy emits a range of light wavelengths. When a galaxy is near us, we receive this range of wavelength to study it and know more information about this galaxy. But the challenge comes if we need to know information about extremely far galaxies. And that's because the range of light that comes from these distant galaxies has been stretched to longer and different wavelengths due to the expansion of the universe. This phenomenon is called the cosmological redshift. So in this case, we won't be able to know anything about these distant galaxies. And here comes the James Webb Telescope. It can detect a broad range of infrared wavelengths, which will help us to see galaxies the Hubble telescope never could. In addition to its incredible mirror with amazingly high resolution. It's considered a super time machine, as it has the ability to detect ranges of light that have been sent from distant galaxies billions of years ago. It helped us to see unbelievably stunning images of the beginning of our universe. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you again!